In this video, you learn how different the two sides of your body actually are, and how the gesture of E can help you to develop your body's complete strength. Place your weight on your right-hand side and perceive into the body there as if a column is carrying the whole body. Do the same on the left-hand side and feel the column there. To start off with, notice the external factors: the tension in the body, the weight on the foot, the touch of the arm against the body. When you have paid attention to these outer factors, it could be that the difference is still very small. If you now feel into the column as if it were a space where you could explore, then the difference may be greater. Which is stronger? Which do you perceive more? Which is more alive? The right-hand side mainly connects itself to a stream that comes down from above and supports its uprightness through this. The left column mainly connects itself with a stream going up out of the earth and by which it feels carried. Now feel the width of the two columns, not limited to the volume of your body, but rather a little broader, like a broom cupboard that you just fit into. Now exert a little pressure on the one column with your hand and then release it again. Exerting pressure and releasing it again. And then you push this wall across to the other side with a bit of effort and a tensed hand. When you press with the hand, you may notice that there's a slight resistance, and when you release the hand, it may move back by itself. Do the same with the other hand. Develop a pressure and push. And you may notice that in pushing and simultaneously staying aware in your body, that the body straightens itself. And if you only concentrate on your hand and its activity, then it could be that your body follows. That we follow an activity or become straightened by another, we know from daily life. For instance, when you pour water out of a bigger container into a smaller one, then it could be that you concentrate to see that you pour it exactly into it. Well done. Or the second manner, which one can also observe, depending on who's doing the pouring or in which state one is oneself, that one concentrates and becomes straightened by exactly the same activity, even taking a little distance whilst doing it. When you perform the energy exchange simultaneously with both hands that then cross one another, the gesture of E comes about. You solidly stand on the ground and feel present and awake. Pushing the energy columns and perceiving the development that takes place, and the pressure on the arms that results, and has the effect of centering you. The eyes are much clearer than before. I perceive myself and that which confronts me. How does this effect come about? You can't possibly push so much energy across just with your hand. To understand this, you have to know that each column carries its complementary energy hidden within itself. And it just needs a slight encouragement that this energy comes forward. And when these two come together, plus and minus unite and the whole strength unfolds itself. The actual strengthening comes not from the right hand, not from the left, but rather from within, and creates a free space. With the E gesture, you awaken that which is already slumbering in you. Try to create the effect of the crossing and connection of the two polarities in all types of E gestures. Be it a strong martial E from within to without, a light-filled E from left and right, or a respectful, devout E from without to within.